जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 63rd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, getting rid of the cycle of birth and death is your destination, your goal. I told you that in order to attain your goal, you have to start meditating upon me. Then if you do not do that, what happens? I started telling you the consequence. If you don't pay attention to me, if you don't do akhanda dhyanam upon me, what happens? Your mind will start thinking about mundane things. That thinking slowly becomes desire. That desire, if it is not fulfilled, you will get anger. Now from there what happens? I am now telling you. The moment when you get anger, you will totally forget about the difference between yourself and your body. That is called delusion. You will start thinking that I am the body. So once that delusion, once that bhrama, sammoham starts, then you will forget about nishkama karma, performing duties without expecting results. That process you will totally forget. That is called smriti bhramsam. With that smriti bhramsam, your buddhi, vyavasayatmika buddhi also will be destroyed. What is that vyavasayatmika buddhi? Whatever the duty that you do, it may be your routine duty, it may be your occasional duty, it may be other duties of Vedic prescriptions. You decided, you fixed your mind that for all my duties, for all my performances, the goal is Atma Sakshatkaram. So that is called Vyavasayatmika Buddhi. You fixed your Buddhi like that. Now that Buddhi will be completely destroyed. Once that Buddhi is destroyed, there is no room for you to get Atma Jnanam and Atma Sakshatkaram. Then what happens? You will again be in this cycle of birth and death. This much of destruction will happen if your Vyavasayatmika Buddhi is destroyed. Why that is happening? Because you stopped your Nishkama Karma. Why that is stopped? Because you are thinking that you are the body. Why that is happening? Because you have so much of anger. Why that anger? Because your desire is not fulfilled. Why did you get that desire? Because your mind started thinking about mundane things. Why that is happening? Because you are not focusing and paying attention to me, you are not engaging your mind with me. Because of that, it is all this much of destruction is taking place. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving us a strong instruction to engage ourselves in Krishna Paramatma's, in Srimannarayana's seva, in order to get rid of this much of destruction, in order to attain our goal of life. With this Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति। Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep doing all your activities as my service, keep on thinking that you are my belonging, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha, keep on reading at least one Gita sloka every day, keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీ దేవి వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis. Suta Maharshi saying that, O Maharshis, whoever wants to attain the goal of their life, they have to listen to Krishna Paramatma's Kathamrutam, the divine stories. Like this, when Suta Maharshi said, all the Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Suta, you are doing such a great favor to us. O Suta Maharshi, may you live long, long life. O Suta Maharshi, we were so much into all these worldly things. Now you introduced us Govinda Pada Padmasavam Madhu, such a wonderful nectar of Paramatma's divine stories you introduced us. O Maharshi, you have so much of devotion and love towards Paramatma. Such great devotee got into our association. This is our blessing. Paramatma's devotees association is lot superior than even the heaven and the moksham tulayama lavenapi na swargam na punarbhavam. Bhagavat Sangi Sangasya, the association of a devotee, a company of a devotee is lot superior than the moksham and swargam. O Maharshi, Govinda is the one who supposed to be learned by everyone. Govinda is the one who supposed to be attained by everyone. Such Paramatma's Govinda stories, while listening, Isvaraha ye bhava Padmamukhyaha, even Brahma, Rudra and other devatas also would never feel satisfied. They still would be craving to listen to Paramatma stories. So what to say about us? We are very much interested in learning more and more, listening more and more stories from you about Paramatma. Like this, all the Maharshis requesting Suta Maharshi. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Nasta Dharme Navasunichaye Naiva Kamopabhoge Yadyadbhavyam Bhavatu Bhagavan Purvakarmanurupam Yetat Pradhyam Mama Bahumatam Janma Janmantarepi Tvatpadambhoruha Yugagata Nischala Bhaktirastu. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 63rd sloka. Krodhat bhavati sammohaha. Sammohat smriti vibhramaha. Smriti bhramsat buddhinasaha. Buddhinasat pranasyati. Krodhat bhavati sammohaha. Sammohat smriti vibhramaha. Smriti bhramsat buddhinasaha. Buddhinasat pranasyati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.